When you come through those front gates and we welcome you, not just to our flower farm, we're welcoming you into our home. We're welcoming you and giving you a chance to just kind of like let go of everything else and to go from there.
I was very curious to come over here and peek at where all these gorgeous flowers were growing.
You would never guess that they can grow so much here in just this space. So it's amazing.
It feels like you've been away for a spell.
You can escape, you have the farm in the backyard, you have the greenery, the nature.
I think people in general are happiest or most peaceful when they're in nature.
In Silicon Valley, we're used to go, 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 and yet she has these marvelous traditions that make you stop and wonder and partake in nature's natural rhythms.
Hopefully when people see the gate is open, that they should feel the same way, that they're welcome here and this is a place where they can hopefully feel more connected to the world.